All right, we're continuing our review of the semester content, and we're going to be solving some rational equations. In this case, we've got the rational equation because we've got the fraction 4 over p. To do this, we want to eliminate that denominator. I'm going to multiply the whole equation by p. So doing so is going to cancel that one. Basically, the LCD for the whole equation, multiply through by that. So p times p is p squared. And then we'd have plus 4p over p, which is going to cancel that p, which is the whole point. And then negative 5p. All right, so that is p squared plus 4 equals negative 5p. Let's get this quadratic. So it looks like the type we would normally do for factoring, the quadratic formula. That's everything on one side. So we're going to add 5p to both sides. We're going to get p squared plus 5p plus 4 equals 0. Let's see if that factors. All right, so p times p for p squared. 4 we could get with 4 and 1, which would add to 5. So plus 4 plus 1, p times p is p squared, plus 1p plus 4p, that gives me 5 plus 4. All right, so solve this. We would have p plus 4 equals 0, p plus 1 equals 0, p equals negative 4, or p equals negative 1. So there are some solutions, and that would be negative 4, negative 1. All right, so we've got what we have a rational equation here. It's actually a proportion, a ratio set equal to a ratio. You guys probably would say cross multiply, divide, but a little bit more than just that. We are going to multiply both sides by 7 and both sides by z plus 8, and that seems like cross multiplying, but it's not just one quick step. We're going to do 7 times z minus 2 equals 4 times z plus 8. So that is what you would have called cross multiplying. But now we can't just divide. We have to distribute. 7z minus 14 equals 4z plus 32. Let's get all the z's on one side and the numbers on the other. So we'll subtract 4z from both sides. We get 3z minus 14 equals 32. Add 14 to both sides, and we get 3z equals 46. Then divide both sides by 3, and you get z equals 46 over 3. All right, we have a fraction. We're adding these fractions, and we've got the common denominator. So really, that makes it a little bit easier on us. Just set that denominator in there, and then add the top. We've got x squared minus 2x plus positive 2x, and then minus x squared. When we combine our like terms, x squared minus x squared is 0, negative 2x plus 2x is 0, and we get 0 over x plus 9, which is just 0. A couple more. All right, this time we don't have the common denominator, so again, we need our LCD. One term is x plus 5, the other is just x. So for the first one, we're missing that x, so we'd have x over x, oops, not equals, times 4 over x plus 5. And the next one's missing our x plus 5, so 3 over x times x plus 5 over x plus 5. And then multiply before we add 4x over our common denominator, 3x plus 15 when we distribute that. Add that together, 4x plus 3x is 7x plus 15 over x times x plus 5. That's right there. All right. that was it for this video.